I just switched it to video.
One second. Now it's coming?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. It starts pushing my head. I push down with my head. I hook here in a 5-finger grip. I hook my own hand in a 5-finger grip. I tighten all those muscles which I asked you to tighten. And I pull this. And he gets a peel off. His arm is, his shoulders will pop out. Okay. Now the second one, he starts pushing me with this. He starts pushing me with this. So I turn over. I grab him in a scarf hold. I make sure his thumb is pointing upwards. I put my leg on top of his leg and armbar him right away. Or in case it's very flexible, the shoulder is damn flexible, it comes up like this. Yeah, I push it under my leg for a peel out. Okay. Then to continue with the submissions from here, I grab this in Shimiwaza like this. I put my head down, I squeeze, his neck is fluid. Now for the next one, I'll want someone other than Manoj because I don't want to choke him. So anybody can start. Just move. Yeah. Alright, now from here, Shimiwaza, let me show you. I crank his neck. Next one, I'll throw his arm over like this. I put my chest on top of it. I push in here. I grab my own bicep and I squeeze down. This is an arm triangle. Now, one more thing which you can do from here, if he rolls over like this, is to bring your arm up and over here, I mean your leg up and over here, being tight, come up here, arm back. Okay? Next is when the person has you in the mount, how to escape. So he has me in a side mount. He has me in a side mount. I keep my hands here, right? I make a small adjustment with my hip here and move here. And I push his leg towards my hip. And I get one leg over. Then I roll here. I make one more small adjustment, get my knee up. And I come for an arm bar. So I don't get off my back, I still do that. Then the next way, he's on a side scarf hold. He's in a scarf hold. Right? I don't want my arm to get blocked, so I immediately hold here. I pull down here. I can get Shimiwaza on him. Now if that doesn't work, I make small adjustments like this sideways. I push the leg here, and I'm pretty much in the early technique. I make a small adjustment, get my knee up, armbar. Then, what else will we do? Anything after that? Escape from here. Escape from the armbar. Okay, Kevin is doing an armbar on me. The first thing I do is try to hold my hand here. One second, slowly. If I get time, I realize he's going to armbar me. I get here and I try to do this. Once he pulls, I come here, press here, and like I showed you yesterday, from here, once I have this, I come here, get my leg over, push my leg under here, and I come to the knee bar. Okay, this is possible. Now, suppose that didn't work, and how it would work, I'll show you. Now, and I'm going for another, you hold your own arm. Yeah, like this. Okay? Like this. Yeah, so I clamp down like this, throw this hand through, put this hand here, and pull this. It comes out. Right, now at the last moment, Kevin does the other arm escape, armbar escape. It turns like this. Turns like this and gets out. Right? Okay, come here. He does an armbar on me, armbar. Yeah. So last when I turn like this, I get out, I grab his leg here, put my leg on top of his leg. This is called a toe hold. I can even do it this way. This is also fine. I need to roll him over a little bit more. Like this. Grab here, grab under like this. Yeah. So toe hold. Breaks his arm. Don't give me your legs. Just break. You can't escape. Can you escape from this? No. Okay, that's a toe hold. Alright.